Hey, it's Chris Hampton-Joyce from Holdan, and today we're at KitPlus 2022 here in Manchester. Now, on our stand today, we've got a lot of tech on show from a lot of the vendors that we distribute. To start off, we've got Datavideo. We've got their new all-in-one production switcher, which is touchscreen, 4K 60p capable, called the ShowCast 100 4K. From BirdDog, again, a lot of tech from them. Most notable, the new P120 PTZ camera, very compact, 20 times optical zoom, full HD, NDI capable PTZ camera. We do also have Kramer with us. Now, Kramer is showing off their 12G SDI router and multi-viewer. And then if we move on to Core SWX with a lot of the new powering solutions, we have the new Nano F battery and the Powerbase Edge Link that was announced at NAB 2022. From the likes of Roland, we have a UK first showing of the new SR20 HD production switcher. It's pre-production, it's available in September, but this is the first time we've actually managed to get it out and get people to get hands-on with it, so super excited to do that here at KitPlus Manchester. From Atomos, we have pretty much one of every production monitor that they have on the market. Most notable is the new Connect module for the Ninja and the Shogun Connect, which again was announced at NAB 2022. And all of the kit that we have here on the show is mounted on innovative production carts. We have a plethora of the different models that they have available and the accessories to really showcase all of our gear mounted in a nice, professional and robust manner. Now, if you have any questions on the kit that we have here on the show, then please don't hesitate to get in touch or visit the Holdan website.